Ladies and gentlemen, the very lovely Neha Dhupia. Neha is wearing jewelry designed by Queenie for Parinita. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome on stage Queenie Singh.
I'm wearing clothes by Ashima and Leena, and of course the jewelry is by Gitanjali Group. It's a part of the Nizam collection. Of course, Mr. Choksi is standing right next to me, and for me, I think wearing Gitanjali jewelry and having the man behind the show is a huge honor. And this definitely is a collection that symbolizes a lot of royalty. It symbolizes a lot of class. It makes you feel far more confident, and it makes you feel it takes you away to a little bit of an old world, and that's why the Nizam collection. And everything you see is done intentionally and only keeping these beautiful pieces of jewelry in mind.
Are you jewelry person? Do you like to go on heavy jewelry?
Well, for me, I've just been very fortunate that I've been the brand ambassador for Gitanjali for so many years, and they have such a wide variety. So anything I want. So if I want to wear something really simple, it's there for me. If I want to wear something really heavy and very, if it has to be something that needs to look like celebrated jewelry, I know that I can have it. But I think I'll know whether I'm a jewelry person or not only after. I just hope our relationship never gets over, but once it does. But I think the most important person to answer your question, I don't think that there's any woman out there who's not a jewelry person, and we have weeks and people dedicated to jewelry, and whatever the occasion may be, we're always ready to wear jewelry, small or big.
First of all, Neha is our jewel for our crown for many years. It's inception of branding, and I think that she's going to be forever. The jewelry, what we showcased today was a bridal collection by the leading brands of the world. In fact, from Nakshatra, Ashmi, Jili, the Damas and Nizam. The Nizam, she's wearing Nizam, a beautiful piece crafted by Queenie Dodi for Nizam. This is for the uncut diamond. What India is really, it's so much of handloom work goes after this, and it is made in Jaipur. And it's really catching up the world very well. Thank you.
Neha, what are you future?
Well, I have something fun coming out in September. It's called Ikkis Topo Ki Salami, and it'll be nice. I've missed myself on the silver screen for a while, so I'm just glad that it's all happening now. I also have Ungli that's coming out in November, and I have a comedy film called Santa Banta, which should be coming out sometime soon as well. So yeah, it's each one is different from the other, and I like keeping it's very, very different. So yeah, I'm just enjoying myself. That's what I'm doing. Thank you very much.